What is the saddest fact you know that most people will not know? 1. 90% of nursing homes are absolutely horrific. I'm an EMT and have been in and out of many of these facilities. Some are high quality, clean places with staff that really cares. The vast majority reek of human feces, have employees who don't care about the residents at all, and serve them barely edible mush for food. The worst one I ever saw neglected to put a patient on their prescribed oxygen, nearly took him out. Actually might have, never found out how that turned out, but when I left them at the hospital they were circling the drain. 2. The disappearance of Geraldine Largay haunts me. She was hiking on the Appalachian Trail, and became lost when she left the trail to relieve herself. While lost, she used her survival skills to survive for nearly a month, but eventually succumbed to starvation at exposure. When her body was found 2 years later, there was a note there, reading, "When you find my body, please call my husband George and my daughter Carrie. It will be the greatest kindness for them to know that I am gone, and where you found me, no matter how many years from now." During the time she was lost, she tried multiple times to call for help using her phone, but there was no signal. She saw multiple search planes and helicopters. She thought about trying to climb up onto a hill above the canopy, but by then she was just too weak from starvation to do so. We know all of this because she wrote it down in a journal she had with her.